Wind advisory posted for the southeastern half of the state, taking effect later this afternoon and going through midnight tonight. In that window of time, the best potential for some gusts over 35 to 40 miles an hour out of a west and northwesterly direction. This is behind that front that came through earlier this morning. We're still going to bring out some light snow and a few inches of accumulation up north around an upper level system while we continue to feed in drier air on that gusty wind elsewhere across the state later on today and into this evening. Temperatures will drop back into the 20s overnight tonight, but with that lingering wind, you're talking wind chills to start our Wednesday morning, likely in the teens and some single digits up north. Some sunshine mixing with clouds through the afternoon and any sort of light snow up north withering away. Likely tomorrow will be our brightest day. We'll probably start with some sunshine on Thursday, only to add clouds. Lows in the 20s to start and highs getting back into the 40s to lower 50s in the afternoon. A couple of mixed showers a possibility Thursday night. Friday, I don't expect it to be a washout by any stretch. There'll be a lot of clouds around. Temperatures will likely be above 50 again in the afternoon with a couple of hit or miss showers. Most of the longer range maps pointing at a steadier rain centered around the daylight hours on Saturday, unfortunately. And there could be some mixing up in elevation as well and in far northern areas. Maybe a lingering shower or two Sunday. You can see temperatures ebbing up 40s to lower 50s, almost right on the averages for this time of year through the weekend.